Here's a cow stuck in a tornado and she needs your help in this fast-moving game. This is Cownado. You beat the storm to save your cow. A whirlwind tetherball style game. Players send the tornado spinning to save the cow in time. Here I am unboxing this game. It's got simple instructions to follow, really not rocket science, very simple. Even little children would enjoy this. It's got 2 paddle boards that you could use to whack the lightning bolt, and of course all of the equipment along with the tornado. And of course the super cute cow. So plug it all in, fix the tornado in place, and fit the lightning bolt and cow. Ensure that the suction cups are firmly affixed to any surface. The big drawback here is most surfaces don't really work. As you can see, I've got it on a wooden table where we had to hold it down, but it would probably work on a kitchen counter or if you dampen the suction cups a bit. Very simple to play the game. Strike the lightning bolt with your paddle, and the one who makes the cow fly out of the tornado is the winner. You can keep scores by using the pointers and also the markers that are at the base of the game. All in all, a fun game, but it is a big challenge to get it affixed to a surface. Once affixed, it's fantastic.